So what you need is compost, a seed tray, a watering can, and marigold seeds that I've got right in my hand. So the first step is to get your scoop or whatever you have, put it in your compost bag and put it on your seed tray. Then water it. So then water it. After watering it, you can put the seed on. You can get your marigold seeds and put as many seeds as you like in each batch. So, and you can get some more compost. And you can add it on top. Now, this is how it should look when you're done with the covering. Bye! I planted, as you know, yesterday I showed a video of how to plant marigold seeds, if you remember, and about on Tuesday, and now today's Thursday, and if you can see, my plants are already growing, so that's how yours should be too. If yours isn't, mine grew in very little time, but yours should take a little more. If it came up this early, great. So, bye. Hello everyone. Today, I'm not going to show you how to sow the marigold seeds. I already showed you that at about 4 weeks ago. And now, today I'm going to show you what is their progress after 4 weeks. See? Just don't include this one and this one. This is one of our petunias and this is one of our tomatoes. But look at all of these. Not these or these. You can include this. Whoops. All included. Can you see their progress? Yes. And as I already told you how to sow them, if you want a reminder, just remember, how do you think I did it? And just put the soil, the compost there, sow the seeds, and it's done. Anyway, so, and you should be, I'm just going to tell you how your starter marigold should be looking like. Here's the starter. Can you see? I can't see any other starters, but that's how your starter should look like. And so, bye guys. Hello, today I'm going to tell you my marigold 6 weeks progress. If you can see, these are my marigolds. And also, I've transplanted a few. And the remaining ones are here. Remember, we sowed it here. And some of them are getting shoots. Let me just show you. Can you see? Here. Can you see that black dot? That's a shoot. And I was just thinking, I think, and if you, I always, this one and this one. Can you see there's a black dot in both of them? That's the reason they have shoots. And the rest don't have shoots actually. So, bye! So, this is my marigold's 10 weeks progress. Now, if you see, we've even got some yellow ones and one very extra special orange one. And they've even grown bigger through the day, through the weeks and days. The information I have to tell you.